Hello everyone. Hindmatar High School is all set to start the physical classes. As per the circular, we are starting the physical class for classes 9, 10, 11, 12 from 12th of February. The school is all set and we are ready to welcome our students in this new normal situation. As per the protocol, the classes have been called in different slots. A particular class has been divided into 9 rooms so that the physical distance can be maintained properly. All the COVID protocols have been standardized and they have been strict instruction to the supporting staff, to the teaching staff and all the members of the school. They are going to follow the COVID protocols very sincerely. Regarding the matters of sanitization, the school has taken extra precautions. After regular interval of time, the school is going to be sanitized. So safety measures, norms, everything has been maintained very nicely. The children come fast and your teachers are waiting for you.
As school is starting the physical classes in this new normal situation, precautions are being taken by the school. At the beginning, near the entrance, thermal scanning and sanitization will be carried out for each student. Social distancing will be maintained.
According to the government guidelines, each and every protocol has been laid down for the students to be maintained. The protocols are: wearing of mask is compulsory, bringing personal hand sanitizer is compulsory, wearing of any metal ornaments strictly prohibited. No student will change their prescribed sitting arrangement. Minimum distance need to be maintained between 2 persons. No morning assembly or any group activity is allowed. No gathering in the corridor is allowed. Wash your hands before having tiffin. In cycle stand, minimum distance need to be maintained. And finally, sharing any item among the students inside the school campus is strictly prohibited.
Each classes have been divided into 9 rooms to maintain the social distancing. Students will only be sitting according to their roll numbers and avoid sitting in the crossed out places. As per the government norms, proper distance will be maintained among the students while sitting in the classroom. Each and every classroom will be sanitized at an interval of half an hour. Each of the rooms has its own copy of protocols to be strictly followed by each student.
To maintain the social distance near the wash basin area, spaces have been encircled. Soap dispensers have been installed for encouraging regular hand wash.
On continuous monitoring outside the washroom area to maintain the social distancing and proper sanitization. It will be ensured that at a time only one student is allowed to use the washroom. Wall messages have been put up throughout the corridor area for a continuous reminder to the students to maintain the protocols regarding COVID-19.